Hi, welcome to this last part of the PHP programming tutorial. And in this tutorial, all I'm interested in is to format our output so that it looks a little presentable. Whatever we had here doesn't look all that appealing. What we want to do, we can format these using tables. There are other methods, but for this tutorial, I decided to use a table. So I'm going to put, let's begin by creating a HTML tag here. And then inside our HTML, I don't know what it didn't pick automatic. HTML. Okay, first of all, see it like this. Then we have, I will have head, then title. So the title here, let's say output. And then we can have the body. Okay, so we want to move, we can move this, we can move the PHP code inside the body of our HTML. And then we can format this now using a table. So what we intend to do is create, so I needed it to be inside the body so that we can create our table there. So we're going to create a table here, and close of the table is going to be after the PHP script. So we're going to close our table here. We can have this table having a width of width of maybe 75%. Then after that, we can create the initial row tr, close the tr. Then inside here we want td, because of td, since we want 3 columns, so I'll have my first column as first name, and the next one will be last name. Then finally I will have email. And once I'm done with that, I will go inside PHP script. This is where I want to put the auto-generated rows. So I will close my PHP there, and then open it again here, so that there is this runs up to that point, then it continues from here. What I want to do is to create a tr here, and just copy this and bring it in down here, and now replace this with replace next one with last name, and finally replace email with email. And what we want to do is to put these inside PHP, and then terminate this statement, then close PHP, and do the same here. We can close PHP here, then achieve the same, semicolon missing. Okay, PHP, semicolon, and then we close PHP. What is missing here now is echo, so we need to echo for output. I think that is okay. If all goes well, we should have our output aligned in form of a table. So let me comment this no longer needed. Let's reload and see how it looks like. Yep, I think we have achieved that. Good, our table is missing Well, it depends on how you want it to look like. Sometimes you want the web browser not to have the grids. If you need it not to have grids, you can leave it that way, or you can create your grid lines. At this point, you can have border equals to 1, and then let's see how this behaves. There we go. You have a nice table here, and align it to the center. That works. Oh, amazing. So that marks the end of this tutorial. I hope you have fun.